Thanks for watching Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style.
The anticipation is over. We are here.
Hello, and thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I'm super excited. It's family night. We have a great recipe we want to share with you guys.
We are having lasagna.
Come on, join us.
Start cooking.
Okay guys, we're going to start off by adding 3 tablespoons of butter. And just coat your pan. Then we're going to add in a little garlic. I'll go ahead and stir that in. Let that cook for a couple of minutes. Then we'll go ahead and toss in our meat. This is some ground turkey. That's approximately 2 pounds. Want to go ahead and break your meat down. That way it has a nice consistency. Okay guys, now we're going to toss in some fresh herbs. We have a little bit of everything, a little oregano, a little thyme, a little parsley. For a full description of the herbs, just check down in our description box below. Let's go ahead and stir all of that in. Man, it already smells great. Okay, now we're going to toss in a little garlic and onion powder. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and toss in about a little taste of salt and pepper. Not a whole lot. We kind of do this to taste. We're not really big on salt. So we just kind of add a little bit to our taste. Go ahead and stir everything in. Let all those flavors kind of marry together. And what you want to do, you want to continue breaking down your ground turkey. Just kind of fold it over like such. have my heat a little bit higher than medium. We want to make sure we cook it at a pretty nice temp. That way we can get some of the juice out. We don't want it completely dry, but we do want to have a little of the juice out because that turkey is a pretty wet product. Now we're going to go ahead and toss in some bell pepper and celery. And we like to cut ours in chunks. It just gives it a nice texture. And make sure, guys, you continue the process of stirring. Kind of fold everything over. You know we can't forget about the onions. We're going to go ahead and toss in some onions. Like I say, we like ours to be in chunks. Just gives it a great, really nice texture and also a nice flavor. Just kind of fold everything over. And you want to cook this, let those onions become translucent. Okay guys, also at this time it's okay to go ahead and throw in some mushrooms. And also some black olives, we're going to add those in as well. Just continue stirring. Look at those colors, man, that's really nice. Look at that, guys. Okay, now let's add in some fire roasted tomatoes. Notice I said fire roasted. That gives it a really distinct taste and flavor. You also want to go ahead and add in a can of pasta sauce. Just kind of stir it all together. Man, it smells so good, guys. Look how quick this is going. I mean, it goes really fast. Like I say, this is a family-friendly dish. And we're going to go ahead and also add in 2 bouillon cubes. You can crunch those up, you know, break them down, or we like to add ours in whole because it cooks for a little while. And at this time, we're going to go ahead and add in about a cup of water. Okay guys, at this time, go ahead and add the remainder of your salt and pepper. Oh man, that smells so good. Look at those chunks. See, that's why we like to cut our veggies kind of big. Look at there. Gives it a really nice texture. And there's nothing like healthy water in your food, guys. Okay, we're gonna let that cook about 15 minutes. You can adjust your heat a little bit, turn it down to maybe a medium to low, between medium and low, I should say. Just kind of stir it a little bit more, make sure everything is nicely covered. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to move on to the next step. But like I say, stir it up real good and turn your heat down low. And we're gonna go on to the next step. See you guys on the next side.
Okay, now that we've finished our first step, it's time for us to layer our oven-ready lasagna pasta with our meat sauce.
Come on guys, you're gonna love it. This is my favorite step.
Okay, we're gonna start off by adding a layer of liquid from our meat sauce in the bottom of the pan. We have excess liquid in this lasagna sauce because we are using no boil lasagna pasta. And it's going to absorb some of the liquid from this when it bakes. Okay, our next step is to lay our pasta in the bottom of the pan. Then we'll add some of the meat sauce on top. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to add a layer of cheese. We're using several different types of cheese here, and you can get the list of those from the description box below.
Man, that smells so good.
It does. It's delicious. So next we're going to add another layer of pasta. More meat sauce. And more cheese. Okay, for our last layer, pasta, the remaining of our meat sauce, and cheese. And then you can probably bake this for about, it's already pretty much done. You just want your pasta to cook and your cheese to melt. So you can bake it for about 30 to 45 minutes in a preheated oven with foil over the top. And this is your final layer of cheese. Okay, it's going in the oven and we'll see you shortly.
Okay guys, now that we've layered our lasagna, it's time to go ahead and do our baking. Come on and join us.
We create our recipes with you and your family in mind. We love sharing our secret recipes with you.
Yes, guys, we enjoyed you. It was great. And until next time, we out. See ya.